This video will demonstrate how to set up your embroidery hoop and fabric so that you can begin your keepsake embroidery. In your kit, you will find your embroidery hoop. At the top of the hoop is a tension screw. You can loosen it, but be careful not to completely remove the screw. Your hoop is actually two hoops, a small continuous hoop and a larger hoop that can be tightened and loosened with the tension screw. Place your fabric over the small hoop and center the area you want to embroider. Now, place the larger hoop over top of the fabric. If the larger hoop doesn't fit, use the screw to loosen the tension. At this point, many people try to adjust their fabric by pulling on the corners. Do not do this, as it could cause your image to distort. Instead, do the following to ensure perfect, even, and smooth fabric tension. Place the fabric over the small hoop and then place the larger hoop on top of the fabric. Adjust the screw until it stops turning. No need to apply force or crank it here. This adjustment is now the perfect tension for the fabric you are using. Now you can simply remove the outer hoop and then reapply it. Because you adjusted your tension, your hoop will now hold your fabric perfectly. You are now ready to begin your embroidery.